what's happening? Today it's mukbang time. My name is Colin.
CQ, what it do?
Minah Binah, and I'm back with some more for your whore.
That's what I'm talking about. It's Ocean2Plate mukbang time. Let's get it. Right now we about to slay. We about to slay on some Tomales Bay oysters. I'm about to show you what it look like right now. We have extra small Tomales Bay oysters. That is what's up. That is what's up. A whole 50 sack. And let me, hey, shout out to Mr. Martin. He hooked us up today. Big thank you today. Really appreciate the help. Positive vibes all day. Tomales Bay oysters. We're about to show y'all what it's talking about. If you can't tell, we're right on the water as well. We're also in a time crunch because the tide's coming up right now, and that's kind of bad. Like the water's getting closer and closer. Bro. Literally, the water's getting closer and closer. I don't know what to do about that. I guess we're just gonna figure it out, huh?
Yeah. We'll just be underwater soon.
We're gonna be underwater soon. We're gonna have cold feet. That's what it's gonna be. Let's get some oysters on the grill first, and then we can start. And then I'll also shuck some. I'll start shucking some.
Oh my god.
Oh dear. Let's get. Oh shit. Did I tell y'all I wear water shoes? I know I texted that in the group chat.
But see, you said
y'all heard him say yeah, right?
You said wear shoes you don't care about, and that's why I wore these.
Get wet.
So Minah Binah, she corrected me. She said, wait, water shoes?
I don't got water shoes. I'm gonna have to film like this.
Film like with your legs up? Hey, it's not gonna be a bad look if we do it like that. Oh! That is not the one. Oh, wait. It's gonna be hot. Wait, hold on. So step one, I think that it will be super dope. These are gonna be the first ones.
I want to try that bomb sauce.
Ooh, the bomb sauce first.
I want to try the bomb sauce.
Let's do it. Yeah. The bomb sauce is a delicious sauce. It is based off of a sauce from Guam called Venedeni. It is a sriracha, low sodium soy, rice wine vinegar sauce. It's delicious. Oh, there's Lilo. See how you opened up? That's how you know he's done. He's ready. Done. He's like actually blown done. Like, might not even be. Ooh, he's done. Ooh, oh my gosh! Look at this oyster. This one is like seriously. This is about to be the best one.
It's fire.
It's fire. Now.
Best, so good. I can't wait for y'all to try it.
Oh,
I got you.
You ain't better. You ain't finna. Son. Oh dear. Crush that.
Oh yeah.
Right.
That's the one?
Yes.
But what does it taste like?
It's bomb.
That's what I was.
It's so bomb. For real.
That's literally what I said when I made that sauce.
It's so tender.
See?
This is so good.
All right, we're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna hit them all with this bomb sauce real quick. These ones, and you wanna hit them with the lemon too?
Okay. That's word. What an immaculate story.
And Joan bomb. Tomales Bay oysters. It tastes a little bit sweet on the meat on the inside is nice and sweet. However, that brininess, that essence of the ocean is so strong. It's not crazy strong. It's not disgusting, overwhelming. Like, oh, I know there's an ocean next to me. It's a tide. It's like,
it's like that's right. It's like that.
It's that sweet smell of the ocean, you know, but not the smell. Oh, okay, just like that, yeah. You already know.
These are the first. Oh god.
Gosh! Don't wait, no, that's hot. Just let it happen. Just kind of.
Oh no.
Oh wait, my camera. Oh, don't let that happen. One last.
Oh,
oh shit! The last one. Oh shit! What? No! Wait. Oh! Another one?
That's crazy. We tried. It was really good while it lasted.
It really was.
Like, for real. Socks is wet. Be right back. Give us a couple seconds to set up, and we'll be back.
And we are back in live, and that was a little bit of a switch up, huh?
It was exciting
though. I'm cold. Got the jacket on.
Into our video.
Sounds good.
Y'all weren't expecting that, huh?
No. The water came out of no. I mean, we knew it was coming, but not like that. Though.
Yeah,
like,
came like.
They both finished this.
He said coming with the heat. We know it's coming to be volcanic with that. That was not. So we're gonna just patch it in, reassume we back. We back. We just on land now. We dry. Okay. And we're not doing any fire. We're just gonna do all raw. Duh. So you like lemon on your oysters?
I like lemon. I like lime. I like everything.
Lemon lime?
Lemon lime.
Like Sprite? Like Sprite in your oysters?
Yeah.
What? You like Sprite? Hey, I dare Brady take this one. I dare you.
We're gonna do a cheers for this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we gotta
This
do
is
it.
the one. This is the first one back.
Let's get it.
Oh wait, she was stuck.
Oh no!
Woo!
Ah,
That is. What's
so
up?
bomb.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now hold on. Now, what's the point of a mukbang to show everybody what we doing with the food? What we eating it?
What that
You gotta
is?
really-
Now what if I mix the old baby butter with the bomb sauce?
Now you are on some crazy level.
Let's just
I
do
don't
something. This
know,
oil.
guys.
Is this hot? This hot?
Spicy?
Spicy? Yeah.
Your bomb sauce?
It's fire. Is this what I got in my
It's
hand?
a little bit spicy. A little bit spicy.
Okay. We finna see what it's about. We finna see what it's about.
She said we finish it.
That bomb sauce is really bomb. Like
I like it a lot. It tastes real delicious. That's why.
it does.
Did you just crush that junk with no problem? With no problem.
Okay.
Wow.
Is that the one?
Wow. All right.
These oysters taste all good as hell.
Yes.
That is
Clutch
so-
for real. Like we definitely will be returning. Like,
Oh yeah.
and I advise you guys, if you in Cali, you in the Bay, check them out.
Yes,
Tomales
y'all.
You will
This is
not
no joke.
regret it. Like it's worth it. It's worth the drive because
This is no joke.
it was amazing, right?
It was the most beautiful drive ever. Like an hour and 20 from Alameda, from the Oakland area, and it was just gorgeous views the entire way. I mean, it's an adventure, it's experience because you're like, yo, I'm on my way to go pick up a sack of oysters, and then you're going through the beautiful wilderness, going through the beautiful mountains, the hills. You're like, dude, what the heck? It's a whole adventure just to go get the food. All right, this is the last part of the video. Okay, we just shucked all the rest of the oysters. The sun's going down. The sun's gone. I don't see the sun anymore. It's getting a little bit cold. Our feet are wet. I mean,
Yeah.
Nose is running.
Nose is running. But the one thing that we cannot dispute, that these oysters taste freaking bomb.
Yeah.
Like by themselves, they taste bomb.
They do. I really just snuck one. Just.
All right, well, I ain't gonna talk about it no more. 'Cause you over here sneaking them. Hey, can I get a cheers though? Would y'all mind?
Oh.
Oh, let's get a shoot.
Would y'all mind for the cheers? Whew. You gonna pour? You gonna
Nah,
pour all
I'm
the
not pouring. I'm not
It's
pouring.
the
I'm not-
seed. It's
I'm
the
not,
seed.
I'm not pouring.
I'm
I'm not pouring it out. I'm not pouring.
I'm not doing that. I ain't doing that. Cheers! Woo!
This joint stuck.
No, mine was stuck too. Like,
What? That's my shotgun skills.
In the comment section below, drop down an emoji that you feel like describe this video because like so many emotions, so many emojis can describe what happened today. What does this video make you think of?
That's what I'm
Yes.
talking about.
Y'all know what to do.
Hey.
Like this video, subscribe, hit that notification John so that y'all can be ready for the next one because it's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be.
Yes,
It's gonna be lit. Let me tell you something right
I
now.
already know.
Positive vibes all day. Subscribe to the channel. Like,
All
share.
the channels, all our joints, we're gonna drop them below, and make sure you share that though.
Period.
Yay!